All right, so here I am at the Hocus Pocus house. One of the houses my wife's been dying to see, so I decided to go and make a little quick video of it. Now you can see it. So that's that. It has like a really cool, sorry, I'm gonna spin around in here. It's like on cobblestone. It's pretty beautiful. There is a little mini garden back here, but there's a guy hanging out back there, and it's a little creepy. So I don't think I'm gonna go to that. Next to it is this beautiful church. It's not too much rain. I'll walk over here just because I'm a little bold and I'm a tourist. But yeah, but this place is like gorgeous. It's kind of like raining, snowing, as you can see today, so pretty neat look today. So yeah. A very beautiful building. And then over here next to it is going to be the, I think it's called the witch house, I'm pretty sure. Not this one, it will be the next one, hold on. The witch house, here it is. I'm not walked over to it, I'm a little creeped out by stuff like that, but that's what it is nonetheless. Yeah. I guess I'll walk over to it. Why not? It's cool. So at 12 o'clock I can come back and maybe take a tour. And check that out in a minute. Depends on how the day goes, right? But yeah, there's that.